as a young guy, feeling so many things for the first time. But young folks don't know any better, and we tend to think, well, I'm feeling it for the first time, and therefore everyone else is too. And no one has ever felt this before. I'm the only one who's felt it. I'm the only one who ever will. And that gives us kind of a attitude of superiority. And maturing, in fact, I'll do this here. Maturing, in fact, is kind of a process of beating us down through our errors and mistakes in that idea, into realizing that most of what we feel is universal to all humans as we grow up. And maybe 98.6, 99 are things that every other human being who's ever lived and grown up will feel. And that other 1% that's so uniquely us, well, that's something that everyone else uniquely feels. But we don't want to let go of it, do we? And when we're young, we want to hold on to that, and we attach ourselves to this fashion or this attitude, and differentiate ourselves and retain that superiority. We get older and we're okay, well, I'm this religion, I'm this nationality, I'm this race even, and I'm this political conformity. I'm for this, therefore I'm okay, or most often I'm against this, and so I'm okay, I'm good. And I'm not saying you can't believe in anything. That'd be crazy, because human beings, we can never really stop doing this. It's in the formula of being free, of human freedom, that we can attach ourselves to ideas, concepts, ideologies, beliefs, faiths. But it's in the awareness. It's in the awareness of doing that that allows us to forgive ourselves for all of those mistakes that wind up in our maturity, all those errors. Find forgiveness for ourselves, tolerance of others, compassion. Because analysis of yourself, human nature, or other people without compassion is really kind of a jerk move, isn't it? You let that superiority back in through the back door, and this compassion is really what makes your belief worthwhile, isn't it?